We are talking about laminating prints, canvases, anything that you might want to laminate. The different processes can be very tricky to do. Using the machines, you can do a cold press laminating or a hot press laminating. Using a liquid application to do canvases or even your outdoor signs. But we're going to talk about the machine application today and cold press lamination in particular. Right, the importance of prepping your sign before application. If you're using an existing sign that has an existing sticker on it, it is very important to clear off any foreign particles on it. For example, if it did have a paint on laminate before, use a water paper and some water and sand it off. Prepare your surface, because the cleaner you make the surface, the more aesthetic your sign is going to look. It's time now to measure up your sign that you need, your printing. Your print needs to dry. Remember, applying a laminate to wet ink could cause wobbly effects. The bubbles that happen, a wavy effect, because the ink hasn't dried and it's still trying to dry underneath the laminate. So rather wait for your inks to dry. We like to wait 12 to 24 hours. Just roll the print up, keep it in a corner, and then the next morning you can go ahead and do your laminating. Doing the laminating, once you've prepared your print and once it had dried, it's given enough time to dry, you can then go into the laminating process. Using the Rollman, the pneumatic Rollman provided by AM.CO.za, we find it a nice laminating machine. It has got all of the bars that you need, and we attach ours to a table, which allows us for a nice smooth flow to push the board through, for example the chromadex sheeting. Using 3 people in this job, we were more successful because we could all line up the job correctly and pull it through the machine. We did not use the roll bar attachment. We used the actual product to pull through because it allows you to walk a long distance with a big job. You have now laminated your print. It is now time to put the actual print on the chromadex sheet. Still using the laminator, prepared your chromadex sheet. You now do the same application that you did for the laminate on the print on the chromadex sheet. In the video you will see how it goes through, how it rolls through nicely, and we have no debris as we have cleaned the area. We like to use a sterile environment. We have an air compressor that we can blow any particles that are in the way off, so that you don't have any foreign bodies or objects underneath your print. Your print can now last a lot longer. It looks better. There are different types of laminate, a gloss laminate or a matte laminate. For outdoor laminates, we like to use a matte because it doesn't reflect any buildings or any light or anything off of it, and a gloss laminate for indoor. Like I said previously as well, there is also the paint on laminate that you can protect canvases. For this purpose of video, we used the matte laminate as it was an outdoor sign. us, laminating is a no-brainer. Jobs last longer, they look crisper, and it's just so much better. Happy laminating.